Hi you guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. For this week I am going to do a really super quick and easy lunch meal prep. It's really hot outside, so I didn't want to turn the oven on or the stove, so I'm going to do a no-cook chicken salad, and I'm going to use lettuce for lettuce wraps. So I'm going to do a keto chicken salad. I got a rotisserie chicken, so it's already cooked, ready to go. I will shred it up, and then I'm gonna use some mayonnaise. I have dried cranberries and a little bit of dill, and then some celery as well for the chicken salad. And then I will take I have iceberg lettuce that I'm gonna use to wrap up the chicken salad with. So I'll have some chicken salad wraps for lunch this week. Nice and light since it is so hot out right now. Here in California, it's gonna be 106 this week, so really hot. So having nice light lunch for each day this week, ready to go. I'm not gonna have to worry about what I'm gonna make for lunch, and it'll be ready, portioned out, and I can just grab it out of the refrigerator each day when I'm ready for lunch. So I'll put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out if you wanna make this. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell button next to subscribe so that you get a notification each time I post a new video. So click that subscribe button if you're new here. And if you've been around a while, you know that I love really quick and easy, simple recipes. So this one is just that, nice and easy and short on time. So it's gonna be really quick. And I just hope that you guys like this idea. So I'll get everything going and ready to go for the week.
All right, I have 2 stalks of celery, so I'm going to cut it into some pretty small pieces. I like my celery diced up quite small, so if you like it a little bit bigger, you can chop it up a little bit bigger if you'd like, but I'm going to cut all the celery all the way up, and then it'll be ready to go in to the rest of the chicken salad. So I have my rotisserie chicken. I just love rotisserie chicken. They're so easy and convenient. So I'm gonna cut off the wings and the legs. I'm gonna save those for the family. They love those parts of the rotisserie chicken. So I am just going to cut out the breasts and all of the meat in this rotisserie chicken. So I have seen at the store you can get rotisserie chicken that's already taken off and already in regular small pieces. But this is just a regular rotisserie chicken that I got today, keeping this meal prep really easy, and I didn't want to cook today and heat up the kitchen, so I have this really nice, already ready to go rotisserie chicken. You can use canned chicken if you like, which is really good in chicken salads, or some diced cooked chicken as well. But so I'm going to cut all of the meat off of this chicken, and then I will have it ready to go for the rest of my chicken salad. All right, so I pretty much got everything off of the chicken, some last few little pieces that I'll get off. But so now I have it, it's all shredded up, it's perfect, and I have my mayonnaise now. I'm gonna use 1 cup of mayonnaise, so I'll put that in with the chicken. I have my celery, I have my dill, 1 teaspoon of dill, I have my celery, and I have a half of a cup of dried cranberries, which I love. They give this a nice sweet flavor, makes it so yummy. So I'm gonna mix all of the ingredients together. It'll be nice and creamy, and it'll be really delicious with the lettuce cups. You can serve this with crackers if you like, or croissant roll, but I'm keeping this nice and healthy and light this week, and it is really yummy.
All right, so I tore apart my iceberg lettuce into little pieces of lettuce to make little lettuce cups for the chicken salad. So I'm gonna portion the lettuce into my meal prep containers. I'll portion out the chicken salad onto the side, and then lunch will be ready to go for the week. All right, so my keto chicken salad is already portioned out. Really easy to make with a rotisserie chicken. You can use canned chicken also if you'd like, or diced up cooked chicken. But rotisserie chicken is so quick and easy, and that's what I wanted to do for this meal prep. Show you guys something really quick and healthy. You don't have to heat the kitchen up to get a meal prep done for the week on this hot summer day. So I have the chicken salad and my lettuce wraps all ready to go, and so lunch will be really good this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some meal prep inspiration from this one. Check out my other meal prep videos if you need some ideas for your lunch meal preps for the week. So click subscribe if you are new to my channel, and put a like on this video. If you liked this one, leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.